Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I'm going to share this special and classic drink that we all love. We're also going to make a premix for this drink. This is Badam Milk. So you can make this premix, store it in an airtight container or jar and enjoy this Badam Milk whenever you want. So let's get started and check it out. For the Badam Milk Premix Powder, first we're going to roast a few ingredients, starting with 1 250 ml cup of almonds, that is badam. Next add quarter cup of cashew nuts and 2 tablespoons of pistachios. Keeping the flame on medium, roast the nuts for about 10 minutes till they turn to a lovely golden brown color. So you can see after 10 minutes the nuts have roasted beautifully. I'm getting a lovely aroma here and the color also has changed a little bit. It's come to a lovely golden color. Turn off the stove at this point. Transfer all the nuts to a plate and cool them completely. So next we're going to powder some sugar. So for 1 cup of almonds, I've taken 1 cup of sugar. To give it a nice mild yellow color, I'm adding half teaspoon of turmeric powder. This is entirely optional. Next, add a few strands of saffron. So this is going to give you the badam milk a very nice flavor. So the sugar powder is ready. Look at that beautiful, it's got a very lovely pastel yellow. Transfer this to a bowl and keep it aside. Transfer the cooled nuts to the mixer jar. Once you've transferred the nuts to the mixer jar, just grind them in pulse mode. Do not grind the nuts in high speed because they can become pasty. So make sure you grind it in pulse mode. So you can see the nuts are ground to a nice coarse powder. To the bowl add the powdered sugar and 1 teaspoon of powdered cardamom. Just mix everything well until it's all well combined. So this is a very simple and easy to make premix that you can prepare ahead of time and store it in a nice airtight bottle or jar. So you can refrigerate this and use it whenever you want. So you can see we've got this lovely beautiful badam milk premix. You can always adjust the sugar. If you want extra sugar, you can always add a little extra while making the badam milk. I've taken 1 liter of milk in a saucepan. Boil the milk. Once the milk is nice and hot, we can start adding the badam milk premix. So I've added 5 tablespoons of the badam milk premix. So gently mix that in. So you can adjust the quantity according to the quantity of milk you are taking. So you can see that instant color change, it's become nice and pale yellow. So drop a heart in the comment section if this brought back some nice childhood memories. So I'm just finally garnishing with some sliced almonds and pistachios. So there you go, our delicious hot badam milk is ready to be enjoyed. You can enjoy this badam milk nice and hot or a little chilled. So making this premix makes it a lot more easier. So if you're having friends over, guests over, or if kids come back from school, this is something that you can quickly make and give them. This badam milk is just perfect for the winters. I'm enjoying it nice and hot. Let me know in the comment section if you like it hot or cold, while I enjoy this wonderful drink. Wow, it's just perfect. The balance of the premix with the milk, it's just so nice, so soothing. And I can't tell you how much I'm enjoying this right now. For those of you who are craving to have that nice refreshing badam milk, make this premix, store it, and you can enjoy it whenever you want. Make sure to follow all the steps correctly to get it perfectly. Do try and share it with your family and friends. Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our HomeCookingShow.in website. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.